Hi student, today we will discuss percentage composition of compound. Percentage composition of compound. The percentage composition is mass percent of each element in a compound. Mass percent of each of element in a compound. That means, by example, in CH4, sorry, in CH4 is methane. Here, one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom present. Dear student, mass percent of carbon in CH4, that means methane, is first number of carbon 1, mass of one carbon 12, atomic mass of carbon 12 upon molar mass of CH4. Here carbon have 12 atomic mass and one hydrogen have one atomic mass. Here 4 hydrogen is present, so mass of hydrogen is 4. 4 plus 16, 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. That means molar mass of CH4 means methane is 16. For the calculation of percentage, multiply by 100. After the calculation, we obtain 75% of carbon present in methane. Now, mass percent of hydrogen. Dear student, here number of hydrogen 4. Number of atom of hydrogen is 4. So written here 4 into 1. The 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. You know that the atomic mass of hydrogen 1. Here 4 hydrogen is present, so 4 into 1. Molecular mass of compound. The compound is CH4, so the molecular mass 16 into 100. By the calculation, we obtain 25%. That means in CH4 means methane 75% carbon and 25% hydrogen present. Okay, student. From this example, we observe we sort out a formula. The formula is created from the given example. Mass percentage. Here given mass percentage. So we write mass percent of an element. Here mass percent of carbon, mass percent of hydrogen means mass percent of an element. Any element, mass percent of an element equal to here number of atom. The number of atom is known as atomicity. So we write here number of atom at place of number of atoms, atomicity of element. Okay, atomicity is the number of atom into here atomic mass, here atomic mass. So write atomic mass of the element. Okay, student. Upon here molecular mass of the compound. So here written molecular mass of the compound into 100%. Okay. Now you calculate directly by using this formula percentage of an element. Dear student, in case if atomicity means number of atoms is 1 in a compound, then the molecular mass is known as minimum molecular mass. Then molecular mass is known as minimum molecular mass, and formula became, we place 1 at the place of atomicity, 1 into atomic mass of the element upon molecular mass of the compound. Dear student, if you put here 1, then this molecular mass is known as minimum. It also say minimum molecular mass of compound into 100. Okay. Dear student, we understand about these formula by using example. In an example, a question is given: what is the mass percentage of carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen in urea? The student, the formula of urea is NH2CO NH2 is the formula of urea. Dear student, in short form, we write NH2 whole twice CO. NH2 whole twice CO is the formula of urea. But if we want to represent urea in the form of their structure, then you write NH2CO NH2. Dear student, here the molecular mass of urea. Firstly, we calculate molecular mass of urea. Here nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen 14, hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen 2, carbon, atomic mass of carbon 12, oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen 16, nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen 14, hydrogen, atomic mass of 2 hydrogen is 2. After the calculation, we obtained 60. That means 60 is the molecular mass of urea. Now, dear student, for firstly we calculate mass percent of carbon in urea. Dear student, mass percent of carbon in urea. Urea means NH2 whole twice CO equal to atomicity of carbon into atomic mass of carbon upon molecular mass of urea multiplied by 100%. Dear student, in the compound of urea, you observe only single carbon is present. So write here 1 at the place of atomicity. You know that atomic mass of carbon is 12 and molecular mass of urea here calculated 60. So if you multiply by this value with 100, then you obtain 20%. That means in urea 20% carbon is present. Okay. Now mass percent of hydrogen in urea. Dear student, in the formula of urea, you observe here 2 hydrogen and here 2 hydrogen. Total number of hydrogen 4. So the atomicity of hydrogen in urea is 4. Dear student, the atomic mass of hydrogen 1, approximate 1. So written here 1. Student, here molecular mass of urea. You know that molecular mass of urea is 60. So written here 60 and multiply by 100. You obtain 6.66%. 6% of hydrogen. Dear student, it means in urea 6.66% of hydrogen present. Now calculate mass percent of nitrogen in urea. Dear student, in urea there are 2 nitrogen is present. So the atomicity for the nitrogen in urea is 2. And you know that the atomic mass of nitrogen 14. So put here 14 at the place of atomic mass of nitrogen upon molecular mass of urea. Here molecular mass of urea 60. So put here 60 and multiply by 100 and you obtained 46.6% of nitrogen present in urea. Dear student, finally we calculate mass percent of oxygen in urea. For calculation mass percentage of urea, firstly put the value of atomicity. Dear student, here only 1 oxygen present in urea, so put the value of atomicity 1. and you know that the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So put here at the place of atomic mass 16, and molecular mass of urea, you know that 60. So put here 60 and multiply with 100. You obtain 26.6% of oxygen present in urea. Dear student, take a screenshot of given content and solve the NCERT exercise. In NCERT exercise, more and more questions related to this topic are given, and also solve the examples, illustration questions which given in the chapter. Okay, take a screenshot. Dear student, now we are discuss next question. The question is the molecular weight of hemoglobin is about 65,000 gram per mole. Means here given the mass of hemoglobin in 1 mole. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is about 65,000 gram per mole. Hemoglobin contains 0.35% iron. Fe means iron. By mass, how many irons means Fe atoms are there in a hemoglobin molecule? Here in this question say that what is the number of hemoglobin molecules, means what is the number of atomicity means in this question arise atomicity of hemoglobin. Student, you know that mass percent of any element is equal to atomicity into atomic mass upon molecular mass into 100. So put here same formula, mass percent of iron in hemoglobin equal to atomicity. Here A, atomicity of iron into atomic mass AM, atomic mass of iron upon molecular mass of hemoglobin into 100. Dear student, in the question you observe here mass percentage of iron, given in the question. So put the value mass percent of iron 0.35% equal to atomicity. Atomicity is arise in question. Okay, into atomic mass of iron. Dear student, the atomic mass of iron is 56. If you don't know, please open your book and learn atomic mass of elements. Okay. Dear student, mole mass of hemoglobin given in the questions 65,000 gram per mole. The unit of molecular mass, you know that unit of molecular mass is gram per mole. Here the unit gram per mole means 65,000 is the molecular mass. So put the value 65,000 at the place of molecular mass of hemoglobin and calculate it. You observe the value of A is equal to 4. Dear student, here A is atomicity. Atomicity means number of molecule of hemoglobin. So in 65,000 gram per mole, number of hemoglobin present, number of iron present in hemoglobin is 4. Okay, take a screenshot about given example and note down in your notebook. Thank you very much.